Hi, it's Mark Froggatt, and we're here live at the Sky Restaurant in Tirana. As you can see from our background, we're slowly rotating. You can see some sky, maybe a mountain, and a big mosque, which the Turkish bought. It's very nice.
Oh yeah.
Recommend. 5 stars on TripAdvisor.
We're at the pyramid of Tirana, and I really don't think it's a good climate. Luke's already made it up. And Mark is still somewhere there.
I got a grip on my shoes.
Might take a while. Okay, made it up to the top of this pyramid, but fucking hell, that's steep. Especially with this backpack on my back. Woo!
Now we have to get back down. I don't want to.
So yeah, that's where we climbed up. All the way from down there. Mark's just about down there, you can see him sitting down. Having a nice little rest. Woo! Jesus. How are we gonna go down? We're on day 4 of Albania road trip, and today we are visiting a bunker. A little bit low energy today after going out to a nightclub called Foley last night, which turned out to be pretty much a massive super club that you find in Ibiza, right in the capital of Tirana. So what better thing to do than go deep underground into a former bunker. You alright, buddy?